Wait till you see this gorgeous turnkey furnished 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 3-car, air-conditioned, garage, with pool and spa home. Home comes with high-end furniture. The large kitchen is truly a chef's dream with plenty of counter space, island, and eat-in kitchen. The home boasts a great room floor plan, granite counters, stainless appliances, crown molding and tile on the diagonal throughout, no carpet, plantation shutters, electric storm shutters, extra landscaping for privacy, and pavers surrounding the house for ease of walking around. New pool heater, and newer AC, are just a few of the upgrades and improvements. Drive through the palm tree-lined streets to the gated community of Copper Cove Preserve. This hidden gem community with low HOA fees is located between downtown Naples and Marco Island with sugar sand beaches, restaurants, and shopping.